Why does your scanner show the P0659 engine code? What does it mean? P0659 is a diagnostic trouble code for actuator supply voltage A circuit high. This error code indicates it means the vehicle's main computer, engine, or powertrain control module has detected that the electrical voltage supplying power to a group of critical actuators is higher than the manufacturer's specified limit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring, corroded connectors, shorted actuators, loose ground, failed control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Ford, Toyota, Honda, Fiat, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.